Hi everyone, Gabriel here with AeroCool, and today I'm going to give you some tips that might help you if you're new to pizza building and you're using any of the AeroCool cases. Now, many of you might want to add some extra fans or liquid cooling in the front panel of the case for that extra boost in cooling performance. When you try to remove the front panel at first, you'll notice that it's held by pegs that makes it really hard to remove. If you're feeling a little bit intimidated or worried about breaking something, don't worry, you're not the only one. Removing the front panel is actually a lot more simple than you think, and we're going to show you how. All AeroCool cases have a small groove on the bottom of the panel where you will need to hook your hand underneath. So what we're going to do is this. Hold the case with one hand, and with your other hand, pull out the front panel of the case using the groove. It is very important that you don't feel too scared or nervous when pulling the panel. You can actually use a little more force than what you had in mind. The front panel was actually designed to be removed in this way. Here you can see some examples of how could you remove the front panel from different AeroCool cases. Be careful not to pull out the front panel too much, since some cases have cables connected to the I/O panel. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this tip helped you next time with your AeroCool case. This is Gabriel. See you next time.